Ultimate World Cruise Tea Time, day 74. Let's talk. This day has been stressful for me. I'm dealing with all sorts of issues right now. My internet's out at home. That's been very stressful, so I've been out of the loop. Missed Beth Anne and Bobbi's live stream, which I wish I was able to join in and talk about all the different travel advisories and all that lovely information, but sadly I missed it, and I'm sad about that. One thing I do have for you is Sabrina's latest video showing her voting for option 1, and I will show you all the lovely recap of that. One vote for option 1. Hopefully we'll get lots more for option 1. With my internet issues at home, I've of course missed the webinar live stream, so I hear about by people live streamed it, which was awesome to see, people sharing the information. I need to find some recaps of that so I can share there. Otherwise, I don't have anything for y'all today or tonight. I'm gonna go home. We're currently still without internet, so ordered some new replacement stuff and hopefully be back online and not out and about doing some free Wi-Fi. So y'all have a fantastic night, stay safe, and I'll talk to y'all again tomorrow, hopefully.